Hi everyone, I'm Sam. Did you know that we are actually the same? Yep. Even though we have differences, we have things in common. Mr. Hawkins explained it the best when we were at Goings Academy. But it first started at Mr. Perkins' General Store. Hey, Mr. Perkins, how's it going?
Oh, fine, Sam. What can I help you with today?
I'd like to purchase a pencil, please.
Okay, that'll be a nickel.
Here you go.
And here you go. Thank you. Hey, Sam, did you know that we all have 5 senses?
5 senses? What's that?
Well,
I'm sorry, Mr. Perkins, but I have to go, so I'll be late for school.
well, you go on then. I'll tell you later.
Okay, bye, Mr. Perkins.
Okay, class, we are going to continue in the Peaceful Solution lesson today. And we are going to go over lesson 3. Now, did you know that we are all the same in some way? Yep, our bodies are similar in some ways and different in others. We are made up of many parts, each having its own special job to do. These different parts are all controlled by the brain. We all have 5 senses. Yes, Sam?
5 senses? I've heard that from Mr. Perkins. What is that, Mr. Hawkins?
Well, our senses allow us to see, hear, touch, taste, and smell. These work together with different parts of our body. For example, our eyes are for seeing, so what else do all of our bodies have that are the same? Yes, Dan?
Well, we all have hands, feet, nose, hair, eyes, and ears.
Great job, Dan. All right, what do you use to hear? Yes, Noah?
We use our ears to hear.
Excellent. Now, how do you taste food? Go ahead, David.
Our mouth is what we use to taste food.
That's correct, David. Now, if we want to feel and smell a flower, what part of our bodies would we use? Yes, Sam.
We use our hands to feel the flower, and we would use our nose to smell it.
That's the right answer, Sam. It looks like everyone understands what our 5 senses are and what part of our bodies uses these senses. Now for the activity, I want everyone to go outside and use one of your senses to find something. Then I want you to come back and report your findings. Okay, class, let's review what you all found outside and what senses you use. David, go ahead, start.
I use my mouth to taste a blueberry.
With my eyes, I saw the butterfly, and my ears heard the wings flapping.
My nose smelled a nice smell from a beautiful flower.
I went up to a tree and felt its spark.
Great job, everyone. I believe that everyone here understands what our 5 senses are and how they makes us all special.
Hi, Mr. Perkins.
Oh, hi, Sam. What can I do for you today?
I'd like to purchase a pound of rice, please.
No problem. Oh, Sam, did you still want to know what your senses are?
Actually, I was taught that yesterday by Mr. Hawkins when he taught us a peaceful solution lesson. He taught us that we all have 5 senses.
Really? Could you tell me all 5?
Sure, no problem. It was seeing, hearing, tasting, smelling, and feeling.
Wow! Mr. Hawkins taught you all of that?
Yep. And I hope I learned a lot more from the Peaceful Solution. So you see there, we are the same. One way is that we all have 5 senses. And that's what makes us all special.
Hello everyone, I'm Noah. Let's review the lesson we learned today. We all have 5 senses that make us all special. Can you name them all? 1 is seeing, 2 is hearing, 3 is tasting, 4 smelling, and 5 is feeling. Excellent job everyone. It's activity time. For today's activity, I'm going to turn it over to a Peaceful Solution teacher, so pay close attention.
Thank you, Noah. For today's activity, we are going to go over a poem about our 5 senses. And children, feel free to join in.
These are my hands. These are my toes. These are my elbows. This is my nose. These are my ears. This is my cheek. This is my mouth to help me speak. You have your hands, and I have mine. Yours belong to you. These are mine. This is my chin. This is my hair. I wash it and brush it to show that I care. We all have noses. We all have ears. They will belong to us for many, many years. You take care of yours, and I'll take care of mine. And then we will be special for a long, long time.
If you would like to learn more about the Peaceful Solution Character Education Program, email us at info@peacefulsolution.org or visit our website, www.peacefulsolution.org. And you can call us toll-free at 1-888-613-9494. And all calls outside the U.S., call the number on your screen.